Hello lovelies, watch how I achieve this simple beef recipe. That is my vegetable oil. I'll be adding my beef. I'll add in my meat spices, seasoning, salt, curry, bay leaf, nutmeg, seasoning, onion, and I added a spoon of tomato paste. So I'll give it a good mix. For those of you always coming to watch me, like my videos, share my videos, I really appreciate your support. Keep supporting, keep sharing. So I'm done mixing. I'll cover it and allow it to bring out its sauce. So here it is, it has brought out its sauce. I'll add in onion, spring onion. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a member of the family. Turn on the post notifications so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. Feel free to check other of my video art that you might find helpful. So I just stir together and I'll cover and allow it to simmer on low heat for 1 second. So here is it ready. Enjoy. Bye.